In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change message format from HTML to rich text or plain in Outlook. You'll learn how to set a default format for all messages and how to change the format for a single email, both in Classic Outlook and the new Outlook experience. First, let's set the default in Classic Outlook. Open Outlook and go to File, then Options. On the left, select Mail. Scroll down to the Compose Messages section. Here you'll see a drop-down labeled Compose Messages in this format. Choose HTML, rich text, or plain text, depending on what you need. HTML supports full formatting, images, and modern layouts. Rich text supports formatting but is mainly designed for Outlook to Outlook. Some recipients may get a WinMail.dat attachment. Plain text strips all styling, which maximizes compatibility. Once you've chosen, click OK to save. This change applies to new emails, replies, and forwards going forward. If you just want to change the format for one message in Classic Outlook, start a new email or open a reply or forward. In the message window, go to the Format Text tab. Pick HTML, rich text, or plain text. This affects only that specific message. Keep in mind that switching to plain text will remove colors, images, and advanced formatting, and switching from HTML to rich text can change how some elements appear for recipients. Now, in the new Outlook, here's how to switch the format for a single message. Open or reply to an email, select Options, and choose Switch to plain text, or Switch to rich text if that toggle is available. When prompted, click OK to confirm the change applies instantly to that message. To set the default format in the new Outlook, click the Settings gear, then go to Mail, and choose Compose and Reply. Find Message Format and select either plain text or rich text for your default. Click Save to apply this to all new emails. This is helpful if your organization requires a specific format or if you're troubleshooting compatibility issues. A couple of practical tips before we wrap up. If your recipients report a WinMail.dat file, they're likely seeing a rich text message. Consider switching to HTML or plain text. Also, when you change to plain text, your signatures and pasted content will lose styling, so review the message before sending. That's it. Thanks for watching.